In this tutorial, I'll show you how to make a template in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create reusable templates that help your team build consistent pages faster. To create a template for a specific space, open your Confluence space and go to Space Settings. Depending on your version, you may find it under Look and Feel or More Actions. Select Templates, then click Create New Template. The template editor will open, where you can design your page just like a regular Confluence page. Add headings, tables, checklists, instructions, or any content your team uses repeatedly. You can also insert useful macros such as status, date, placeholder text, or task list to make your template more interactive and easier to complete. Keep the layout simple and organized. Include clear section headings and placeholder text so users know exactly what information belongs in each section. If needed, add images or your company logo to make the template more professional. Once your template is ready, give it a descriptive name and add a short description explaining when it should be used. This makes it easier for your team to find the correct template later. Click Publish or Save to make the template available within your space. If you want the template to be available across your entire organization, you'll need Confluence Administrator permissions. Go to Administration, open Global Templates and Blueprints, create a new global template, design it the same way, and publish it. Your template will then be available across all Confluence spaces. That's how to make a template in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.